Welcome back to Simple Bappada Travel Vlog channel. Friends, I am showing you miscellaneous beautiful places. Today, let's take a romantic journey to the most iconic city in the world, Paris. From the majestic Eiffel Tower to luxurious stays at Hyatt hotels, we've got a full travel guide lined up for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the trip. Paris, the capital of France, is also known as the City of Light, La Ville Lumière. A global center for art, fashion, gastronomy, and culture, Paris attracts millions of visitors every year. The city's heart is crossed by the Seine River and is filled with cobblestone streets, charming cafes, and world-famous landmarks. In my earlier video of Paris, I discuss about the top 5 tourist places of Paris. Paris is not just a city, it's an experience of romance, style, and timeless beauty. Now let's talk about where to stay in Paris, and one of the best luxury choices is Hyatt. The Hotel Hyatt Regency Paris Étoile. This hotel located near the Arc de Triomphe and Champs-Élysées to reach from Airport Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport, CDG, to the Hotel Hyatt Regency Paris Étoile. The best option is to take the train, specifically the RER-B line, to Châtelet-les and then transfer to the RER-A line to Charles de Gaulle Étoile, which is a short walk to the hotel. The total travel time is approximately 49 minutes and costs 12 to 15 euros. Today, we are taking you inside one of the most luxurious hotels in all of Paris, the Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme. If you are dreaming of a royal stay in the City of Light, this is the place to be. Let's explore its elegance, location, amenities, and everything you need to know before booking. The Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme is a 5-star luxury hotel located in the heart of Paris. It's part of the Hyatt's Park Hyatt collection, known worldwide for its refinement and elegance. Address: 5 Rue de la Paix, 7500 to Paris, located just steps away from the Place Vendôme, Opéra Garnier, and a short walk from the Louvre Museum. It offers one of the most prestigious addresses in Paris. Now let's talk about the rooms. Park Hyatt Paris offers 155 rooms, including 44 suites, each designed with a mix of classic French elegance and modern luxury. Warm neutral tones with high ceilings and large windows, marble bathrooms with deep soaking tubs and rain showers, designer amenities, plush bedding, and in-room espresso machines. Some suites even offer private terraces with Eiffel Tower views. If you are looking for something grand, check out the Presidential Suite. It's like staying in a Parisian palace.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. Running wild. Now the morning, as the afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
For those who love wellness and relaxation, Park Hyatt has you covered. A luxurious space offering massages, facials, and body treatments features a steam room, sauna, and whirlpool baths. Uses products from La Mer and other high-end brands. Open 24/7 with modern equipment and personal training on request. After a day of sightseeing, this is the perfect way to unwind. Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme also hosts luxury events, weddings, and business meetings. What makes the service stand out? The hotel is not just about luxury rooms, it's also a culinary destination. A fine dining restaurant offering creative French cuisine in a cozy, elegant setting. Seasonal tasting menus and wine pairings make it a must-try experience. A lounge area with a fireplace, perfect for tea, coffee, or light bites. Casual and stylish spot for breakfast, brunch, or lunch on the terrace. Trendy cocktail bar with signature drinks and Parisian ambience. Personal concierge available 24/7. Multilingual staff. Pet-friendly policy. VIP airport transfer and limousine services available. Beautiful inner courtyard, ideal for photos and romantic dining. Everything is designed to make you feel special. Why tourists are choosing Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme? This hotel is not just a place to sleep, it's an experience. Perfect for honeymooners, luxury travelers, fashion lovers during Paris Fashion Week, art and culture explorers who want to stay central. Room rates generally start from €1,000 per night and can go much higher for suites, especially during peak seasons, but the service and experience are truly unforgettable. So, if you are visiting Paris and want to treat yourself to 5-star luxury in a perfect location, Park Hyatt Paris Vendôme is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Simple Bappada for more. So, that was our dreamy escape to Paris, and an inside look at some of the finest Hyatt hotels in the city. If you are planning a Paris trip, let this guide be your travel buddy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Simple Bappada for more luxury hotel tours and travel content. Bon voyage! Thank you for watching video. Bye for the day. Wait for next video.